Hi Digital Planners, this is Tina Phillips and I'm going to do a quick video on what happens if you accidentally delete a page in your planner that was linked and it's now gone by accident. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of what to do. So as you can see in this planner, I kind of like went through, I have in my planners, I have blank tabs and let me show you what this, okay, so these are blank tabs at the very top and they actually link to basically blank pages, and I do that on purpose so the customer can do whatever they want to with it. They can either look at it as a divider or they can make it a template for like trackers or whatever. And what I've done here is temporarily just kind of label them haphazardly here so you can kind of tell the difference in the thumbnail gallery, so you can kind of see which ones you're looking at. And I'm going to say, well, what happens should you accidentally delete a page? And this is a linked page, and sometimes it gets trashed, right? Well, what if you want that back? You're like, oh no, I have to have that back. So what you need to do is go back out to your dashboard, go back out to your documents, and go under settings and look in your trash bin. And you should see that page in the middle right there. Do you see that? You're going to go in the upper right hand corner, hit select, and you want to select that page that got deleted and hit recover. And it actually goes back to the planner that you had it in, and you want to select done. Then go back to your planner. What is this one? And there's my page back to where it belongs, and it should also work. Let's go ahead. And it goes back to tab 1. So that's all there is to it. Just make sure that you're not deleting anything in your, once you delete your trash, it is gone for good. There is a long, massive way, I'm not even sure if it actually works anymore, that I'll have to go back and look at it. It's should you accidentally have deleted your trash. But hopefully you haven't, and so this is an easy way to get it back. And I will just talk to you guys later. Thanks, bye.